Hello everyone, welcome back to Sheila's Passion. As you all know, this is my new parrot. Okay, he's just a baby. It is his feeding time, so I'm going to feed him. He's just a small baby. When he came to me, he didn't have even these small feathers. All he had was just the small red beak, which showed me that he was a parrot. I hope he grows big and be talkative like Tarun. I've missed Tarun so much, and I want this little fellow to grow up like him. So I've been having him for nearly 5 days now. Within 5 days, he has grown a lot so much. It is time consuming to feed him and to take care of him, but I still love him. As you know, my cockatiel is actually really jealous of him and doesn't come to him, but I hope they become good friends soon. Hello Bui. Hello Beau. Hi. Say hi. Okay, he's sleepy at the same time hungry. Okay. Okay, bye friends. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, if you like pets, give your valuable comments and we'll soon be seeing you with a new video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.